So in this video I'm showing you the setup that I've done on the Isle of Man for a motorcycle festival. This is a 2-camera shoot, or 2 wireless cameras. So we have receiver A and receiver B. And you can see here I'm using 205s on the left and right, and then a 105 in the middle. I'm also running coax. You can see at the bottom here the 2 bottom antennas. Running LMR 400 to the left and right, and so I'm actually running down this railing 20 meters, so I've got 2 runs of 10 meters of LMR 400 coax, and I've got 2 antennas down here, one for receiver A, one receiver B, and so you can see there I've just taped it to the railing there, and that's the other antenna for the second receiver. And so we have 20 meters from the center point, and then another 20 meters in the opposite direction. So there's a 40-meter span between the antenna to the left and the antenna to the right, and that really helps stabilize the picture in this situation, because as you can probably see when we look out, we have nothing but ocean in front of us, so there's very few reflections in this situation. And so when you don't have any reflections to rely on, then you need to separate the antennas, and 10 meters is actually fine, and I think 10 meters here would have been perfectly adequate. I had some extra coax, so I just ran the extra run. 20 meters seems to be like the sweet spot, but even 5 meters makes an enormous difference with this technology. If you can get a couple of those antennas to the left and right and get them off the receivers, even 5 meters will help a lot in this type of situation where you don't have a great deal of reflections. But 10 meters is ideal, and 20 meters is probably the perfect scenario if you've obviously got the coax and got the space. And of course in this situation I've got plenty of room to the left and right. I can go as far as I like. So that's the setup here on the Isle of Man. It's for outdoor screening, so you can see here there's 2 big LED screens, and this is for the close-up so the crowd can see what's going on when they do all the motorcycle stunts and so forth.